No. Well, only once. Only once. Alright, so this is a log ride at Centerville. Rachel didn't want to go on it, so she's standing back there. I'm a little bored. I'm having fun though. I think I haven't been on this since I've worked here. It's been a while. With the waterfront on the side, the boats. Alright, so we're going up now. So far down I was. Alright. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain today, so. Okay. That was a little crazy. Oh, I didn't wet myself. Okay, I think that was it. Oh. I think I'm done.